Good morning and welcome to another week of my life vlog. I just finished making my coffee and I actually didn't try it yet, but I put coconut milk in it for the first time instead of just regular milk because my best friend Nikki recommended it, so I'm going to try it now. It's very subtle. I don't really taste too much of a difference until the end. I taste a little bit of coconut. I like this, and it's like a little bit sweet without adding sugar. Thank you for the recommendation, Nikki. So I am about to paint my nails. I'm feeling a little bit more spring. I've been rocking like the more mauve-y colors lately, blush pink and mauve, but I'm feeling something a little bit more fun and I can't decide, but I kind of need to hurry up because I need to do my nails. And then I'm gonna meet my friend Natalie. We're gonna have coffee. I'm not sure if we're getting breakfast or not. And then we're gonna shoot some pictures. She also has an Instagram blog, so I'll link that down below. We went to school together, so we're just gonna catch up and then help each other take some pics. So I did a poll on Instagram story because I couldn't decide which color to do, and majority is saying pink, and this one is by Essie and it's called Guilty Pleasure. So I am gonna put this on my nails now. Thank you for voting on my Instagram story. Now I am ready. I curled my hair with my curling wand, which is a little bit different. And I'm wearing hoop earrings, which is a little bit different. So I'm ready. I'm gonna go meet my friend Natalie. Hey! Introduce yourself.
I am Natalie Alysa, fashion blogger from Toronto.
Vlogger.
Is this real?
It's snowing. Just a little bit.
It's fine.
It's an accessory in the hair, right?
Yeah,
look at your hair.
This is beautiful.
We are done shooting for the day.
Done.
It's kind of snowing now. This is the reality. Natalie would let you know that.
It's not always glamorous, but you do what you can.
You warm up in the lobbies of buildings.
Yeah, the lobbies of buildings, and then you run out to take the shot. Yeah.
But she has such confidence that she doesn't care if people are staring.
It's taken time. At first I felt weird, but now it's just normal, so.
I am back at home now. I was sitting on my bed doing some editing for a bit, and I was trying to warm up because it was actually so cold outside today. Didn't realize how cold it was, and I wasn't dressed that warm because it's really sunny, so it looks warm, but it's really not. Also, I just picked up a package that was delivered to me from Sally Hansen, so I wanted to open it with you guys. Ooh. This is the color of the moment. It's a little bit of a darker shade, which is funny because I just put a bright color on. This is Cabernet with Bay. Ooh, I feel like I need to have some wine with this. This is the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Polish. I'm not sure what collection this is from because it's the color of the moment, but it is beautiful and it's like a dark purpley wine color. I love it. I'm gonna put this on probably tomorrow because then I want to start getting into the brighter shades for spring and kind of create an Instagram theme around that. Also, I have all these glass bottles now from my kombucha, so I peeled the label off of this one. I used very carefully a blade to get all the label off and then used rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad to get off the glue, and now it looks so pretty. I did it to 2 of the bottles, but it actually took me a really long time and I got a blister on my finger, so I don't recommend, but they look really cool. I'm here with Tanya. You guys know her.
Lipstick girl.
So good! I just finished tidying up and cleaning my apartment. I had fun. That taco place was really good that I went with my friend Tanya. She works around there and it's kind of close to where I live, so We met up during her lunch break. I filmed a video today, and then at 6 I'm meeting up with my friend Rachel. So this week that I'm off from work, I don't know if I really explained that, but I'm on vacation from work, but I'm using it as a staycation. I'm using this time to kind of catch up on YouTube stuff, film extra videos, and kind of have them ready to go out and catch up with friends. So I've been doing a lot of seeing friends and creating content, and I'm honestly having so much fun. This is like the best week ever. No matter how long I live here, the view of the CN Tower will never get old. I'm just walking back from meeting my friend Rachel. I haven't seen her in over a year, so we were just catching up. And the bar that we went to was just way too busy to try to vlog, but this view is so pretty. It was really nice catching up. I was having a hard time getting out of bed, so I jumped up, did some stretches. I have some things that I need to do this morning, so I don't have time to go to the gym, but I wanted to kind of get my heart racing. Now I'm gonna take a shower and move on with my day. That was a good idea, even though like it's really simple exercises, just like stretching, doing some jumping jacks to get my heart going, really made a big difference. I need to do this more often. I just got done in the shower. I'm actually making my coffee right now. I wanted to talk about this cleanser. My brother bought it for me from Whole Foods, so I want to read more about it and learn how to take it myself, because I think he gave me like a shot of it and he mixed it with sparkling water. I do not have sparkling water. I just got out of the shower, by the way. I'm trying to take off the plastic on the top without ruining my nails. Today is the perfect day to get this going for me, because yesterday I did not eat very well. Not proud of myself, so hoping to cleanse and eat better today. So this is a natural liquid internal cleanse. Increase energy, well-being, no laxative effect. Reduces bloating, gas, and feel more energized. Detoxify and alkaline your body, helps support circulation. So it seems to have a lot of good properties to it. I'm just wondering what is the best way to take this. All right. So I guess this is like the cap to measure it. For a product that is vegan and gluten-free, I'm surprised they use styrofoam on the top. That just doesn't make sense to me, because styrofoam is horrible. I literally have no idea how much 6 to 8 ounces of water is. Oh, it doesn't taste bad at all. Just tastes like lemon juice. I can taste the ginger too. Tastes good. You know what this tastes like? It tastes like if ginger ale was flat. That's what it tastes like. I could do this every day. I've been living here for almost 9 months and finally got around to doing an apartment tour. Not because I didn't want to do one, but I kept saying to myself, oh, like, I'm not done yet. I need to paint my bed frame. I need to do more like wall art or something. And I was like, you know what? I need to get over my perfectionism. I'm always gonna have an excuse for why I'm not doing an apartment tour, and it's never gonna be done. Like, when is someone's like home ever done, right? You're always trying to change things or rearrange or change decor, you know, like, so I just did it.
There's a...
Dun, 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 dun. Look what Alyssa found.
It's been sold out here for so long, so we're all gonna do a taste test, starting with the birthday girl.
Nikki is putting on her eyelashes.
Ooh,
No,
it's probably the perfect temperature.
Oh my
right
god.
Now. Oh, okay, everybody go in.
Oh my god.
Rach, oh, you put your thing down.
Oh shit, that's that hurts my raisins. Sprinkle some raisins in.
That's good. I'm into it. That's
Oh my
really
god.
good.
How do they get the flavor so accurate?
Like, how do you extract oatmeal cookie? This is what I need to know.
We recently just had a topic about how oatmeal cookies are our favorite, so wow. I want to eat the whole thing.
We are in the process of DIYing a sign for Nikki's birthday and a bunch of balloons and streamers. I'll show you when I'm done.
Alright,
So we decided to scrap the word birthday and we're just doing happy 23 Nikki. So what I'm doing here is we have a thumbtack and a nail that was already on the wall, and I'm just gonna string the last piece. I'm hanging them all off of the same nails, just kind of measuring how long I need it, and then I'm gonna string Nikki on there.
Nice. DIY event planner over here.
Yeah, I just got some Bristol board because the dollar store didn't have any cute birthday signs, so I was like, all right, we got.
This is way cuter than anything that you'd buy, so.
Yeah.
Nikki, how do you like it?
I have the best friends.
So cute.
This was off work this week. I had time to think of these things.
I'm gonna give you guys a sneak peek on Nikki's birthday cake. She hasn't seen it yet. It's a mini egg vanilla cake. It's so cute, right?
Also, for some reason, you can also cut them into like cute little triangle things. I was just kind of being quick.
I like it like this.
Is it centered? No. You can use like really cute scrapbook paper. This would be cute.
True.
It kind of worked that your walls are not white. The finished product. Stay tuned for pictures tomorrow.
I got the best friend in the world.
You look a little psychotic, but I'll save it. Happy birthday to you. So cute. I don't know if I got a zoom up of this cake, but it is mini egg amazingness.
Should I go like this or should I go
that's ambitious.
like this? Yeah, like that.
This is just a piece of art.
It honestly is. Okay, should I do this?
Yeah, do it.
I say we freeze this bad boy.
So we're on our way to brunch this morning. Hello. Look how amazing this is. Same. What did you get?
Sweet potato waffles with avo toast.
Thank you so much for joining me in this week in my life. If you enjoyed, leave me a comment below and a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for more vlogs. See you next time. Bye.